Hello, today we will guide you through how to add domain in Cloudflare. To begin, open your Cloudflare account homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can access all of your account settings and domain management tools. Once you are on the account home screen, look for the domain section in the navigation area and click on it. This will take you to the part of Cloudflare where your domain-related options are organized. After that, click on Overview. The Overview page gives you a general look at your domain management area and is where you can start adding a new domain. If you are new to Cloudflare, this is a helpful place to get oriented before making changes. From the Overview page, click on Add Domain. This opens the process for bringing a new domain into Cloudflare. You may see different options depending on your account setup, but the goal here is to start the domain connection flow. Next, click on Connect a Domain. This option is used when you already have a domain and want to add it to Cloudflare, so you can manage DNS, security, and performance features from one place. Make sure you enter the correct domain name during this process, since even a small typo can cause issues later. Once you move forward, click on Add Domain again to confirm and continue. At this point, Cloudflare will typically begin preparing the domain setup process. Depending on the interface, you may be taken to a page where you can review details before proceeding. Finally, select the sample plan and follow the on-screen procedure. Cloudflare usually offers different plan options, so choose the one that matches your needs. If you are just getting started, carefully read each screen before clicking ahead. The setup may include reviewing DNS records, confirming settings, or following instructions to complete the connection. As you go through the on-screen process, take your time and double-check the information shown. This helps avoid mistakes and makes the setup smoother. If Cloudflare asks you to confirm any domain settings, be sure to follow those prompts exactly as displayed. And that's it. You have now walked through the process of adding a domain in Cloudflare. Once completed, your domain will be ready for the next stages of configuration inside your Cloudflare dashboard.